Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little and we keep.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On this video today, y'all be getting an extreme ultimate refrigerator deep clean. I take all the drawers out. I actually unscrew the drawers to get in between the glasses and the pieces of the glasses that had coffee and whatever else in it, sticky stuff all in it. So we have had this refrigerator for a year and I have not done a deep clean on it. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. I know my people who are here for the cleaning motivations, for the regular-lisms, the people who are living their life, working and not stay at home. I'm not trying to knock on nobody else, but I'm not a stay-at-home mom. I'm a working student mom. I would do everything plus be a mom and a wife. So we got to do what we got to do when we got time to do it. You know what I mean? So if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Make sure to like this video and be sure to share this with somebody who needs some motivation. As you see those two pieces right there, there's a silver piece and the white piece. Those are the pieces that I used. I took off to clean the entire glass piece. So enjoy the music and enjoy the motivation. I'll see y'all at the end.
Welcome to friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake up.
Yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you for life, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Loving you madly, girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it. I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play. All you do is shut down the runway, looking dangerous like a gunplay. They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like, you know even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Hey, you know like get it. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere. Ooh, you're so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you fall like, you know even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like, sexy mind and body. You already got me now. Ella no la quiere. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere. Ooh, yeah.
too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, feel it out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Girl, it's time you put yourself first. Go and get the love you deserve. Stop by screaming out the word. No, 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 no. Don't let anyone put you down. Stand up straight and hold your head high. Stop by saying it out loud. No, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we are now going through the food, putting the food that is expired in the trash, and putting the food back into the refrigerator the right way. I did not end up doing the doors of the refrigerator because we didn't have time. We had to go pick up the kids from school. So as you see, my husband pretty much commandeered my whole project and decided he wanted to put his 2 cents into where he wanted things to go. But you know, that's just married life. Welcome to married life is what I always say. We have about 2 more minutes left in this video. I really hope that y'all stay until the end of this video. Hopefully this video will give you all the motivation to get something that you need done today. Something that little. It don't have to spend so many time, maybe 20-30 minutes to get something done so that you can feel accomplished for that day. Remember that you are enough, that you are worthy of all the love that you get. And we are the family that love life and having fun and give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all in the tube. Peace out, y'all.
You blushing, give sweet concussion. Oh, you beats my touching.